Okay, coming into question our problem number 2, we have this problem. Okay, we have the front and the top. The same thing, we have a base, and this base has this area which is a rectangle, and with 4 small whole cylindrical shapes, and we have also cylinder. Okay, and we have this area, and we have also an extrude cut inside, as we can see here. Okay, well, the part 2 is we have this part, the same thing, and we have extrude cut inside here. Okay, let's do it together. So first of all, we have to draw the shape, the base. We have the base of 280 between this center and this center, but it's not complete. We have to add this area and this area. So 280, and we have a circle. The external circle is 40. Okay, 40 millimeters. So this area is 20. The half of this circle is 20. So we have 20 here and 20 here. So 280 plus 40, 20 and 20. Also we have 110 millimeters plus 20 here and 20 here, which means 40. So 40 plus 110 will be 150. Okay, so we have 320 in the bottom side, and we have 150 in the upper side. Okay, so I'm gonna draw the base from the top. It will be easy because I have center rectangle. We have a fillet of 40 millimeters, as we can see. Okay, let's do it. So in these problems, maybe we're not going to draw everything from one side. Maybe it's easy to draw the base first from a plane, then we'll draw something else in the other plane, and so on. Okay, or also you can draw the right side. Okay, and make 2 contours. This is contour number 1 and this is contour number 2, and always we draw the upper the external circle. Don't draw the lower the inside circle. Always draw the upper side circle. So let's do that together. Okay, new, then okay. So from the top I'm gonna draw this rectangle from the top. Normal to sketch, activate sketch. I'm gonna choose center rectangle, and this rectangle has a length of 320, which is 280 plus 20 here and 20 here, and also we have 150, and we have a fillet of 40 millimeters. Okay, for all the corners, then sorry, not 40 millimeters, 20 millimeters, sorry. Then check, because we have 40 millimeters 5, we want just the radius. Okay, now feature extrude, check feature extrude. So what is the extrude of this? The extrude of this area is 25, as we can see. Okay, this area is 25. Then we'll go draw this cylinder and make extrude cut for each of these. Very simple. So 25, and check. Okay, I'm gonna draw on this surface, normal 2. Gonna draw a circle. Look toward the center. This is the center. Draw this circle with 5 phi of 40 millimeters, and the extrude will be let me see it, 8 millimeters. So there it will be feature extrude 8 millimeters. And check. Okay. Now we have a hole. Okay. Click on this surface, normal to sketch and draw a circle. Choose the center. This is the center, and the dimension will be what is the phi here? The phi will be 20 for the internal circle. So it's 20. You can see it here. As you can see, the circle, the inner circle is 20. Keep it 20. Then feature extrude cut through all. Feature extrude cut, then through all, then check. Okay, should I do the same thing for this corner and this corner? No, we have to choose the extrude, control, and the cut. Make a mirror about the front. Yes, it is around the front, then check. Now we have to choose these three: the extrude and the cut and the mirror. Okay, now mirror about the front or the top or the right. Obviously it's around the right, and check. Okay, we did this base. Now go to the front, normal to. We're going to draw this area. So, okay, so keep the front a little bit bigger. Keep bigger. You can make it bigger. Okay. Okay, click on the front and draw a center line, because I'm gonna draw the right side. So this is a center line. Draw a circle, the outside circle, which is 100 millimeters. Okay, 100 millimeters. And as we can see that, what's this? Again, yes, this one. Okay, the center, the length between the center and the lower line is 200. Small dimension between this center and this origin point. The length is between this and this 200. Draw a line, this line. Keep it longer, and make a relation between this line and this circle. The length, the relation is tangent, and cut the extra line. Okay, what is the angle? The angle of this area is the same of this line, so the angle will be 15. 15. Okay. Make a mirror for this line around this center, then check. Okay, now feature extrude. The extrude of I just forgot to make a sketch to close this. We have to close this area, okay, to keep it as a contour. Otherwise he'll not do it to you. Feature extrude. Now we have he told me that this area has an extrude of this area, okay, which is 110, okay, and their cylinder is 10 millimeters here and 10 millimeters here, which is 130, okay. So for this area we have 100, and for the outside circle we have 10 millimeter extra and 10 millimeters extra, which is 130. Let's do it together. Feature for this area and this area, I'll make it mid-plane, and the extrude will be 110. Check. Okay, check. And we also have, click here, click the sketch, click here and choose the cylinder, keep it mid-plane, and this is 130. Check. Okay, we have a fillet of 10 millimeters in both sides, so click on this edge and click on this edge, and control this edge, make a fillet of 10 millimeter radius. 10 millimeters radius. Check. Okay, he made that for us. Okay, in the next part we're going to see how to make these extrude cuts. Okay, thank you.